In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop, best method. By the end, your TikTok Shop will be linked to CJ Dropshipping, so products and orders can sync smoothly, making fulfillment faster and more reliable. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account and sign in. If you're brand new to the platform, make sure your account is fully set up and verified before you continue. For a smoother experience, it also helps to have your TikTok Shop owner account ready in another tab so you can authorize quickly when prompted. Once you're inside CJ Dropshipping, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Add Store. This is the central place for connecting your sales channels. You'll see a list of platforms you can connect. Here, select TikTok Shop. If you operate in a specific country or region, choose the correct TikTok Shop region so your connection matches the store you actually sell from. Next, click Install. This action starts the integration process and prepares CJ to communicate with your TikTok Shop. Think of it as enabling the bridge between the two accounts. After clicking Install, you should see TikTok Shop appear in your stores list within CJ. It may show as pending or not fully authorized yet. That's normal at this stage. Now click Add Store again to complete the authorization. This will redirect you to the official TikTok Shop authorization screen. Follow the prompts shown on your screen. Typically, you'll be asked to sign into your TikTok Shop owner account. If you aren't already, select the correct shop if you manage more than one, and grant CJ Dropshipping the necessary permissions. These permissions allow CJ to sync products, pull orders, and handle fulfillment data securely. Review the prompts carefully and confirm each step until you see a success or completion message. When the authorization finishes, you'll be sent back to CJ Dropshipping. Refresh the page if needed and check your stores list. Your TikTok Shop should now appear as connected or authorized. If you don't see the update right away, give it a moment or try signing out and back in. If any prompt fails, repeat the authorization and ensure you're logged into the correct TikTok Shop account with the right permissions. That's it. Your CJ Dropshipping account is now connected to TikTok Shop. From here, you're set up to sync products and process orders through CJ, keeping your operation streamlined and your customers happy.